Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing the favorite reports feature found in Communique for marketplaces. My name is Tom and I will be your presenter today. Let's go ahead and get started. We get a fair share of tech support emails asking about certain reports and where to find them in Communique for marketplaces. Though we make it a point to organize reports in a relevant and conspicuous manner, sometimes it's not so obvious even to seasoned users. Other times when you're performing a set of tasks like end-of-month accounting, you may need to run reports from different reporting sections. Navigating through the menus and finding those reports can be time-consuming. If you're running reports once a month, you may forget where those reports are located in Communique. Searching through the menus means you must go through the process of finding those reports all over again. To help you find your most frequently used reports, we created a favorite reports feature in Communique so you can organize your frequently used reports in a way that's meaningful to you. Let's take a look at favorite reports feature found in Communique so you can see for yourself how easy it is to organize and access your frequently used reports. The Favorites Reports feature is located in the dashboard area. Although the Favorite Reports section is not a dashboard, it is included in the dashboard section for quick and easy access to your most frequently used reports. You can organize your favorite reports into groups. The default group is named Favorites. You can rename this group, but you cannot remove it since you need at least one group to organize your reports. Let me show you how easy it is to rename a group. We'll rename the Favorites Report group to End of Month Accounting. Let's add two more groups. First, let's add a Sales Analysis group. Second, now we'll add a Product Replenishment group. Now that we're done adding report groups, we're ready to start adding reports to these groups. There are some key points to keep in mind when adding reports to groups. 1, it's okay for a report to be in multiple groups. 2, a report cannot be assigned to the same group more than once. If you try to add a duplicate report to a group, it will be ignored. Let's add 3 reports to End of Month Accounting. We will add the following reports from the financial section. The first report will be Accounting Summary by Order. The second report will be Inventory Valuation Daily Summary. The second report will be Sales Tax by Order. Now that we've shown you how easy it is to add reports to a group, let's add reports to the other group. We'll add the following reports from the Orders and Suppliers section to the Sales Analysis group. The first report will be Best Product Sellers. The second report will be Product Sales by Date. And the third report will be Sales by Date from Suppliers section. Now let's add 2 reports of Product Replenishment group. We will add the following reports from the Product section. The first report, Product Ranking. The second report, Suggested Product Order. Now that we have our favorite reports set up in groups, let's show you how easy it is to navigate to the report from the favorite reports section. Let's go back to the favorite reports section using the history menu and show you a second way to navigate to your favorite report. Select a report and double-click your mouse. See how easy that is to access your favorite reports? Now all you need to do is organize your favorite reports into reporting groups, and you'll be able to easily navigate to your frequently used reports just as easily. This wraps up our presentation of favorite reports feature found in Communique for marketplaces. As you can see for yourself, it is a powerful feature to help you organize your most frequently used reports in a way that makes the most sense to you. Contact us at sales@marketplacereporting.com to learn more about marketplace reporting. Send support questions to techsupport@marketplacereporting.com. Thanks for watching our video. Have a nice day.